Cleophas Malala, tumekusikia vile umesema, and you shall be responded to. Sinisawa? But I think Alado is serious when he says what he's saying. You know what, kwa Biblia, the Israelites went around for 40 years because of division. But when they came together, they go to the promised land. So there is a reason for everything, and there is a season for everything, Honorable Cleophas Malala. And the time will come. I want to invite our senior AG Emeritus, Senator Amos Wako, who is also a friend to the family, to give his remarks. Karibu.